Hello, everyone. Welcome to another test here on our channel. Thank And I promise to do a lot of things. I bought it. I'll here to the channel. I'd like to do a test to see if it doesn't do all of this. Let's test it. Oh, guys, let's open the package here. You see these pliers are everything they promise. So, here's the cable. Well, looking at it like this, the pliers don't seem that extraordinary. It has a rubberized handle here. Okay. Well, the wire stripper with several measurements, including here the measurement here of the wire gauge. Oh, countless, right. But a little scale here, okay. At this end here, according to the video, he promises to. For example, each of them. A little terminal for connecting wires. Wow. So you put. Shall we peel it here first? I'll test it with the terminal. So he has a peeler. It really peels here. Look. It peels really well. Okay. It works. At least the peeler works. Then we put it here. Then we press the end of it here. Oh, the terminal. Right. Cool. Yeah. Oh. See? So he pressed it. This part worked really well. To cut the wire. There's nothing special, right? It cut like a tool. See it? It cut the wire. So guys, another thing it promises, it says it's really good at. Well, cutting it. I have here, 3. Here are the same. I have 3 here. The thickness of the nail here. The thickest one, a little thinner, and the thinnest one here. Here, guys. I'm going to ask for its gauge, how much it can be. This thicker one here, right? Look, it's 4 millimeters. It's really thick. This other one here, 3.5 millimeters. And this smaller one here, 3 millimeters. So that's. I'm going to do a test here with common pliers. I have here normal pliers. Normal pliers, aren't they? We're going to do a test here with this thinner nail. I'm going to see if I can cut it with normal pliers. Look, I put all my strength here, and it didn't cut. It just worked. Now, let's see what happens. The powerful one here. Oh, let's see. According to the video, it should cut very easily. Oh, look how beautiful. It cut well. It cut and it made a tooth here. Look, guys, it didn't make a tooth. It just removed that black paint that it has. But it didn't make a tooth. Okay, it cut nice. Now, I'm going to cut another one here. This thinner one here too. That's the it. Wow. Yeah. This other one here is 3.5 millimeters. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it really cuts. Oh, got it. I didn't use much force, okay? Let's see this thicker one here, 4 millimeters. Let's see if the pliers really cut. or if I'm just weak. Now I'm going to use both hands because this one is a little thicker. It's
a little. Guys, it's not cutting, huh? I'm putting all my strength here. With both hands.
Boy, it cut. I'm going to grab it here. Look. It. Bah. I had to put a lot of strength on myself, guys. I'm going to use a lot of force with both hands. Let's see if it made teeth. No. It didn't make teeth, no. Look there, look. It didn't make teeth, guys, look. Okay? Oh, but I had to use a lot of force. But, you know, it's tough. Yeah. So here are our super pliers. The super powerful pliers. And the functions it has. I believe that's all, guys. It doesn't have this one here. It has a point. But there is one with a square tip. And there are two other models besides this one here. Well, yeah, here it is. The test is done. Of our super pliers. Here. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay? If you're interested in buying it. I'll leave the link in the description. And also in the first comment. Okay, guys. Final consideration. Again, it's a good pair of pliers. The material. You saw that I cut a 4mm nail. And it didn't mark the tooth here. The cup. It didn't make a tooth in the cup. If it were a pair of pliers, made bad material, I'm sure it would have already marked the tooth. Not the cup here. So it didn't mark it. It's pretty, you see.
Caption. Adriana
Right, guys?
Zanato.
So here it is. Tested. And it's true. I'll leave the link in the description. If you want to buy it, it's up to you. And if you liked it, leave your thumbs up, leave your like to help our channel. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Well, until the next tech talk.